Hello and namaskar dear kids. Today in this video lesson we are going to revise chapter number 5, comma. So what is a comma? A comma is a punctuation mark used within a sentence. Yes dear kids, comma को हम punctuation mark कहते हैं जो use होता है sentence में. Or we can say when we write a list or 3 or more things in a sentence, we put a comma after each item in the list. We can say when we write a list of 3 or more items or things in a sentence, we put a comma after each item in the list. So dear kids, हम comma का use कब करते हैं? जब हम कोई लिस्ट में 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा या 3 या उससे ज़्यादा थिंग्स को लिखते हैं तब हम कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए कि ये सारी चीज़ें अलग अलग है. ऑलराइट, और नोट दिया गया है वी डू नॉट पुट अ कॉमा आफ्टर द लास्ट आइटम. सपोज मेरी लास्ट आइटम है राइटिंग पैड, तो मैं यहाँ पे कॉमा नहीं लगाऊंगी. आई विल पुट द कॉमा टू डिफ्रेंशिएट द डिफरेंट थिंग्स, but I'll not put the comma at the last. Alright. Let's see some more example. I like drawing, dancing and music. I put comma after drawing, after dancing, and then I put and music. Now dear kids, there are certain rules of comma as well, जिसके basis पे हमें comma लगाने चाहिए. तो let us see the rules as well. So dear kids, these are the rules which we have to follow while putting comma. The first rule is use the comma between the month, date and year. We use comma between the month, date and the year. For example, I was born on March 24, 2009. I put comma after 24. Now see the second rule. Use the comma to separate 3 or more names in a sentence. When we want to speak 3 or more names in a sentence, we put comma. For example, Jia, Ram, Seema, Havya and Raju are best friends. Wherever we put comma, we have to give pause. For example, like this, Jia के बाद आपको pause देना है. Then you have to speak Ram, Seema, Havya and Raju are best friends. Now see the next one. Use the comma to separate 3 or more items in a sentence. When we want to speak 3 or more items in a sentence, we put comma as well. Like example, I love boxing, comma, my family and my dog. I like boxing, my family and my dog. Now see the fourth rule. Put comma before and or but when joining two complete sentences. Put comma before यानी कि आपको comma and और but के पहले लगाना है when joining two complete sentence, when we want to join two complete sentences. As for example, I bought a new dress and I bought matching shoes with it. I bought a new dress and I bought matching shoes with it. So dear kids, I hope कि आपको ये 4 rules और कॉमा का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया हो. नाउ लेट अस सी इट्स एक्सरसाइज पोर्शन. टेक आउट योर नोटबुक, टेक आउट पेंसिल एंड इरेजर एंड नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग. सो डियर किड्स, इन योर नोटबुक गिव हेडिंग चैप्टर नंबर 5 कॉमा एंड देन गिव हेडिंग एक्स्ट्रा ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज. Then put the question number 1 heading. Then write put commas where needed. आपको ये हेडिंग्स डालनी है सबसे पहले, तो चलो लिखते जाओ मेरे साथ साथ। चैप्टर नंबर 5, कॉमा, एक्स्ट्रा ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, put comma where needed. Now see question number 1. The school will remain closed on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. There are no commas, so I had read it like this. But if I put comma here after Monday, then if I put comma here after Tuesday, and if I put comma here after Wednesday, then the sentence will become like this. The school will remain closed on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So now you understand what is the importance of comma. When we put comma, we have to put a pause. और जब भी हम कॉमा लगाते हैं, इससे हमें पता चलता है कि दो चीजें अलग अलग हैं, ओके। और दोनों चीजों को सेपरेट करके बताने में भी आसानी होती है। That both of the things are separated from each other. Otherwise, we would have read it like this. The school will remain closed on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, likewise, and Thursday. But if I put comma, the sentences become like this. The school will remain closed on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Now come to B1. Write it down. Do you want to study maths, English, history or science? In second one, I put comma after maths, English, and then we will write history or science. As you can see, I had put comma after maths, English, history, then science. After science, I had not put comma. Why? Because it's the last word and we do not put comma at the end of the sentence. We always put full stop, or if we are asking question, we always put question mark. Now see C1. The rescue shelter has dogs, cats, cows and goats. Now from here you have to do this all the exercise by yourself. I'll be dictating the questions and you have to write it down the answers along with me. But I'll not give you the answers now. I'll be giving you the answers later on. आपको क्वेश्चन मेरे साथ साथ लिखने हैं और आंसर भी सॉल्व करते जाना है. So this is your homework, okay? Extra grammar exercise. First, let us write all the questions in your notebook. So write it down. C1. The rescue shelter has dogs, cats, cows and goats. Then come to D1. Please get me some carrots, beans and tomatoes. Please get me some carrots, beans and tomatoes. Now come to the next one. E1. आई होप कि आप सब मेरे साथ साथ लिखते जा रहे हो. जैसा मैं डिक्टेट कर रही हूँ आपको वैसे ही लिखते जाना है. और एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो. नाउ E1 is apples, grapes and mangoes are my favorite fruits. Apples, grapes, and mangoes are my favorite fruits. Now come to F1. The PE teacher made everyone run, jog, and skip. The PE teacher made everyone run, jog, and skip. Now come to G1. I hate lizards, spider, and frogs. Let's see H1. The principal wanted to see Sarah, Jenny, Alice, and Ron. The principal wanted to see Sarah, Jenny, Alice, and Ron. The principal wanted to see Sarah, Jenny, Alice, and Ron. Now come to I1. I bought a silver shoe, a silver dress, and a silver bag. I bought a silver shoe, a silver dress, and a silver bag. Now let's see the next one and write it down with me. Alright, you have to write it down with me. Now come to J1. The students were asked to choose between skating, swimming, and kickboxing. The students were asked to choose between skating, swimming, and kickboxing. Now see the next one. I live with my mom, dad, brother, and sister. I live with my mom, dad, brother, and sister. See the next one. The teacher asked us to get scissors, glue, and crayons. The teacher asked us to get scissors, glue, and crayons. Now dear kids, I'm showing you the whole exercise one more time. If you missed any question, just write it down. First, what you have to do is you have to give the heading chapter number 5, comma. Then you have to write extra grammar exercise. Then you need to give question number 1, put commas wherever needed. Then the first one is done for you. Second one is also done for you. From question number C to question number L, you have to write it down and solve it by your own. If anything is missed, please correct it and write it down. Now there is one more exercise which we are going to do in this chapter, comma. That is also extra grammar exercise. So turn the page and come to a new page and give question number 2 heading. Question number 2. Tick the sentence in which commas have been placed correctly. इसका मतलब है जहाँ पे कॉमा सही जगह पे सही ढंग से प्लेस किया गया है उसमें आपको टिक लगाना है, और जहाँ पे कॉमा गलत ढंग से लगाया गया है वहां पे आपको क्रॉस लगाना है। सो लेट्स सी हियर, दिस एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क. So you need to write this exercise in your notebook and then you need to solve it also. So give the heading question number 2. Tick the sentences in which commas have been placed correctly. First one, I donated some old clothes, books and a blanket to a charity. And then give a small dash in front of it where you have to put right. Now see the next one. My dad's favorite sports are football, tennis and golf. My dad's favorite sports are football, tennis and golf. Put a dash in front of it. Now the third one is, there were balloons, cake and gift for everyone at the party. There were balloons, cake and gifts for everyone at the party. Put a dash in front of it. Then come to D1. Bobby, Ted and Mike are going to the fair with me. Bobby, Ted and Mike are going to the fair with me. Again put a dash in front of it. Then come to the last one. We went to the library, the park and the museum today. We went to the library, the park and the museum today. Put a dash in front of it. In this dash, you need to tick wherever the sentence has been framed correctly with the help of comma, and where the sentence is not have been placed correctly with the comma, you have to put a cross, otherwise just a simple dash and leave that sentence. In the instruction what they had given, tick the sentence in which commas have been placed correctly. इसका मतलब है जहां पे भी कॉमा सही से प्लेस किया गया है आपको वहां पे क्या करना है, टिक करना है, और जहां पे भी कॉमा सही से प्लेस नहीं किया गया है आपको वहां पे क्रॉस करना है. ऑलराइट डियर किड्स, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क, एक्स्ट्रा ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज. You have to practice it by your own, and if you face any difficulty you can ask me. So thank you and namaskar. Take care.